Against a background of a log cabin, rolling hills and cloud-filled sky, an unidentified musician stands on a platform or deck. The music of his harmonica is linked to nature and to the rural life of farmers and loggers rather than to the city. In the 1920s, Herbert's friend the musician Léo-Pol Morin and others promoted the growth of an indigenous Canadian music derived from popular or folk traditions, an ideal evoked in this superb full-length portrait.
Adrien Hébert, painter, son of sculptor Louis-Philippe Hébert and of Maria Emma Cordelia Roy. His childhood was spent as much in Canada as in France, his father having been commissioned to create a series of sculptures to adorn the facade of the Parliament buildings in Quebec City. From 1902 to 1911, he attended Montreal's Conseil des Arts and Manufactures, taking courses from Edmond Dionnet.